Tying a tie can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes a simple and elegant skill to master. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie a tie. Start with the wide end of the tie on your right side and the narrow end on your left side. Ensure that the wide end hangs about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Cross the wide end over the narrow end near the top of the tie. Bring the wide end under the narrow end. Pass the wide end over the narrow end, creating a loop. Bring the wide end up through the loop you've created in the previous step. Hold the knot loosely with one hand and use your other hand to slide the wide end down through the front knot. Using both hands, carefully tighten the knot by pulling it up towards your collar. Adjust the knot by holding the narrow end and sliding the knot up or down until it rests comfortably and is centered. To finish, tuck the narrow end of the tie inside your shirt, securing it in place.